Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use AI to write cover letter. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Utilizing AI to craft a cover letter involves employing natural language processing algorithms to generate content. And here's a step-by-step guide on how you can achieve this. So the first step would be select a reliable AI writing tool that supports cover letter generation. Some popular platforms include OpenAI's GPT-3 based tools such as OpenAI, Codex, ChatGPT, or other AI writing assistants. Next step, visit the website or platform of the chosen AI writing tool. Then log in or sign up if necessary to gain access to the other features. Now, input relevant details for your cover letter, such as your name, contact information, the recipient's details, job position, and any specific information you want to include. Clearly outline your achievements, skills, and qualifications. Now, indicate the desired tone and style for your cover letter, whether you want it to be formal, professional, friendly, or a combination. The AI can adjust the writing style accordingly. Now, and just wait for the AI to make your cover letter. Once the AI generates a cover letter, copy it by clicking here. Open your notepad, then paste the copied cover letter. Delete the unnecessary notes, then carefully review the content. Edit and refine as needed to ensure accuracy, coherence, and a personalized touch. Now, if you're applying for different positions, make sure to customize and tailor the cover letter accordingly. Highlight skills and experience relevant to each job. Now, although AI tools are advanced, it's essential to proofread the cover letter for any grammatical errors or inconsistencies that might have been overlooked. And now, save the generated cover letter and download it in the other platform app and in any different format such as PDF or Word document. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.